Good morning, children. Today we are going to revise the formation of some small letters. Come on now, children. Let's open to a fresh page in your home exercise book. We will write the date in the top right hand corner of the page. What is today's date? 28 dot 4 dot 2020. In the next line, we will write classwork. C L A S S W O R K, classwork. Now we will be writing the letter P. From the upper blue line, we will draw a standing line downwards till the lower red line. We will go again to the top and draw a curve touching the lines like this. We will now go to the next line and write the letter P again. Standing line downwards and a curve touching the lines. Go to the next line and again write the letter P. Straight line and a curve. Now write P on your own on the next line. That's good. Now let us go back to the second line. Give a 3-finger gap after P and we will write the letter Y. A slanting line from the upper blue line towards the right till the lower blue line. Go back to the upper blue line and draw a slanting line towards your left till the lower red line like this. Wonderful. We will now go to the next line and write the letter Y again. A slanting line towards your right and then a slanting line towards your left. Go to the next line and again write the letter Y. A slanting line and another till the lower red line. Now write Y on your own in the next line. Nice work, children. Back to the second line. Put a 3-finger gap after Y and then we will write the next letter Q. Starting from the upper blue line, we will draw a curved line touching the lower blue line. Go upwards, touch the blue line and then come downwards with a standing line to the lower red line and then make a hooked tail like this. Let us write the letter Q again on the next line. Draw a curved line touching the lower blue line. Go upwards, touch the blue line and then come downwards with a standing line to the lower red line and then make a hooked tail like this. In the next line, draw a curved line touching the lower blue line. Go upwards, touch the blue line, and then come downwards with a standing line to the lower red line, and then make a hooked tail like this. Q. Now write Q on your own on the next line. Wow, nice. Let us go back to the second line. Put a 3-finger gap after Q, and then we will write the next letter G. We will write the letter C, go up to the upper blue line, come down below like this, and a curve backwards. Write the letter G again on the next line. Write C, go up, come down, and a curve backwards. Go to the next line and again write the letter G. C, go up, come down straight, and a curve. Wonderful. Now write G on your own on the next line. Back to the second line. Put a 3-finger gap after G, and then we will write the letter J. A straight line downwards from the upper blue line and a curve sidewards. Then we will put a dot on top like this. Write the letter J again on the next line. A straight line downwards and a curve sidewards. A dot on top. Now let us go to the next line and again write J. A straight line and a curve with a dot on top. Now write J on your own on the next line. That's lovely. Children, I have shown you how to write letters P, Y, Q, G and J. That's all for today. You can practice writing the letters once again this evening. Take care. Be safe. Thank you.